Jesse, what's your favorite engraving illustration?
I like the slate Laura Zindel box turtle because his shell is so fun.
What's your favorite engraving illustration?
For Laura Zindel, it'll be the American frog on our round artisan board.
Yo, Anna, what's your favorite engraved illustration?
I would say Laura Zindel's brown trout or the box turtle. Jason, what's your favorite engraving illustration?
I like Laura Zindel's slate spotted salamander. Look at the guy.
Terry, what's your favorite engraving illustration?
Anna, I would go with the Laura Zindel salamander in Maple Leaves design.